how to create passport size image in Photoshop. Now for a reference, I have basically opened a picture here. So as you can see, this picture is not passport size. As you can see that this is basically rectangular kind of shape. So the passport size is almost just here. So what I will do is I'll simply go to this crop option, and I've applied here. I will select here 2 by 2 inches. That's the size of cropping that you have to do. Now I'll simply adjust the it, so it has basically opened that. Now I'll simply select the area that I want to be in the shot. So I will select enter. So as you can see that this is the perfect size for the passport size. So this is how to create a passport size photo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.